development on Hingna, and all these factors makes only Hingna one of the most convenient residential area in the city. For any residential grow, the factors like education, industrialization, connectivities, and basic needs like good and peaceful surrounding area with shopping close by. You name the schools, and the best like Schools of Scholar and many more are here. Name any engineering college, best like YCCE, Raisoni, Priyadarshini are already present here. Name any medical college, the Lata Mangeshkar Medical College is here. The Nagpur Best Industrial, which houses some of the big names like Seat Tires, Mahindra Tractors, Reliance Power, Nippon Dendro, and many more are lined up to open in few years. With launch of metro rail service Maji Metro, the connectivity of Hingna with city core area will be like minutes away. And we are all aware of Maji Metro is running before schedule in completing the project. The phase 2 of Maji Metro will be extended close to the Neel City in coming years. Located in this area is the Neel City, and Neel City is strategically connected in between the Hingna Road and Outer Ring Road. Since its location, it gets easily connected to Wardha Road as well as Amravati Road. It is easily accessible from Mihan, making it the most sought-after residential destination. The surrounding of Neel City is developed with state-of-the-art township which tend house some of the well-known people in various sectors. So this offers good residential atmosphere around. The Neel City is a township which is located in this location and has 25 number of duplex bungalow and flat as well as shops. Flat section. The adjoint is the apartment with convenient shopping. The Neel City has this convenient shopping which will cater to your daily needs requirement. As we enter the residential apartment section, here also we have a separate entrance gate which will be manned with 24-hour security guard. We see huge stilt parking area. Every flat has been provided with a car parking facility. Amenities section. As you come out, we see a huge amenities area. In front of the garden will be excellent place for quality family time. In the evening where you sit on benches around and enjoy the children's play. The jogging track where you can have a fresh air in the morning walk. At the temple, which is very much the part of Neel City. The children's play area where small kids can have fun. A small clubhouse which will cater your health club requirements. The youth will definitely spend the time here for fitness. Bungalow section. Let's take a look at bungalow section. The bungalow is single-gated entrance community which total of 22 semi-detached bungalows. The entrance gate has 24/7 security. The bungalow 1 and 25 are the independent bungalows and rest are semi-detached bungalows. Each bungalow comes with small lawn area and a parking. This bungalow is completely isolated from the apartment section. It's altogether a different and complete life here at the Neel City, and we request you to be a part of this Neel City and stop worrying about all your household needs. It's not a home, it's a community at Neel City, and you will cherish the memories of Neel City all through life. Presentation from Digital Multimedia. Refer builder's name and other details from brochure.